Hey everybody, today we're in a Mitsubishi Lancer. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip center mount number 854051. Before we get started, there are a couple things we want to mention. First of all, this mount does use some double-sided tape. You'll see it as this blue covering here and under here. Now that tape is required to attach the mount to the dashboard, so you want to peel the covering off before you install it. And the tape is designed so that if you ever have to remove the mount in the future, it won't leave any marks or residue behind. The next thing we want to mention is make sure you attach the mount to the dash before you attach anything to this faceplate. With that, we'll get started. Now with this mount, there are two places it's going to attach. The first is between this glossy part of the dash and this matte part under here. The first thing you want to do is take the included gap opener and just go at the corner of that seam and insert it. Now you're going to take this lower angled edge and insert it into that open seam. Once that's in place, you can remove the gap opener. And now we're going to use our fingers and lift up on this upper part so we can get this upper lip into the vent right in here. Once it's in place, you have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. I hope this video has helped. Have a great day.